Welcome to the Nourish and Restore podcast with me, Nina, and my awesome friend Nicole, where we bring all things nourishing and restorative to you, your body, mind, and soul. A chance for you to enjoy simple tools to help you live a happier, healthier, and more peaceful life. Join us in conversation as we explore our interesting theme for today. Welcome to this morning's session. It is all about yoga to get up and go and to be positive. So let's all start off standing today. This is a session for you when you need a boost of energy or you need to get fired up to tackle that something difficult ahead of you. It's going to help you ramp up your energy so that you can get through whatever challenges may be ahead of you in a positive manner. We're going to start with the breath of joy. One of my favorite new little practices. What's going to happen is as you inhale, you're going to take your arms forward. You're going to inhale again, you're going to take them out to the sides. You're going to inhale for a third time, taking the arms all the way up to the sky. And you're going to exhale out through the mouth, releasing all the way down. So it's inhale out in front, inhale side, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale forwards, sides, up, down. In, out, in, out, in, out. And you keep going. Find a lovely rhythm that works for you. Feel that your exhalation is a big moment and you're letting go what is no longer serving you. Once more. Hold it here on your inhale. Take the arms up. Interlock the fingers. Reach. And then sigh the air out. Release all the way down. Lovely. Letting go. Wiggle it out a little. And then when you're ready, slowly begin to uncurl. Alright, we're going to do lovely round circles. I'd love for you to interlock your fingers. Take your arms up ahead of you. Take your feet a little wider apart. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, you're going to take yourself over to the right, bending your knees. Bring your right elbow down towards your right knee. Take yourself across, left elbow to left knee, right elbow up, and you spiral all the way up and around again. Exhaling, right elbow towards right knee, down across to the left, inhaling up. Exhaling one last time in this direction. Lovely. And then 3 rounds the other way. So as you exhale, left elbow to your left knee, right to the right, twisting open, coming all the way up. Exhaling, down to the left, over to the right, inhaling up. Last time. Inhaling up. Reach. Exhale, sigh the air out, letting go. All right, let's take ourselves into a wide standing stance, into a warrior two. So we're going to turn the right foot out to the right, left foot's angled in a little. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, sink down into your warrior two. Lovely. Feel the strength of your base, and we're going to play with the flexibility and the vitality of the upper body. So as you inhale, lean back into your reverse warrior, opening up the right side of your torso. And as you exhale, bring your right arm towards your right thigh. Bring your left arm up and over into side lateral, side ankle stretch. Inhaling, reverse warrior, opening up. Exhaling, side ankle pose. Super. Inhaling, reverse warrior. So we're really opening up into the sides body here to bring us that energy. Exhaling, side ankle pose. Inhaling, bring yourself back to neutral. Exhale, release both arms down. Turn your feet forward and just fold forwards into a wide forward bend. Take a moment here to allow everything to recalibrate. Super. All right, and then from there, start to walk your feet in and out towards each other a little. Keep them still wide apart. Turn your heels in, your toes out a little, and inhale into a goddess squat pose. So you're going to just lift the chest. We're going to do 2 rounds here. As you inhale, bring your hands up to your heart center. As you exhale, reach your arms forwards, rounding your back a little. Inhale, reach the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, take them out, down to the sides. Lovely. Sink a little deeper into your squat. Inhale, bring your hands up. Exhale, round forward. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, float them down. Lovely. From here, we're going to take it into a little bit of a shoulder stretch. So you're going to rest your hands just above your knees, and you're going to release your right elbow in the direction, kind of like towards the left. You're going to lift your left shoulder backwards, look over towards the left. Inhale back to the center, and then do the same thing to the other side, kind of like left elbow towards the right. Right side of the chest opens, looking to the right. Back to the center, inhaling to the left. Exhale to the center, inhale to the right. Exhale to the center, inhale to the right, left. Exhale to the center, inhale to the right. Exhale to the center. Lovely. And now we're going to change sides. So as you inhale, coming all the way up again, adjust your stance. So this time your left foot is angled out to the left, your right foot is angled in a little. There we go. And then from here, bring yourself the arms up, and as you exhale, sink into your warrior 2. When you're ready, inhale, left arm lifts. Exhaling, take yourself into that side angle pose, working with opening up the side body. Inhaling back into that reverse warrior. Exhaling, side angle. Once more, inhaling. And exhaling, finding the strength and stability as you work into this posture. The lower body nicely grounded back to neutral, upper body soft and flexible. This time just turn your torso all the way over to the left, bring your hands down alongside your left foot and step your left foot back into your downward facing dog. Bring yourself into that neutral position, nice long spine, buttocks nice and high. Fantastic. Bring yourself back down onto all fours into your cat stretch. Do a few dynamic cat stretches to release the breath and the body, noticing how you feel. So remember, as you inhale, you're opening your chest. As you exhale, you're rounding your spine. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you round. Last one. Exhale, round. And then from here, come into a seated position. We're going to end off with a moment of meditation before you go and make this your day. So sitting comfortably in whichever way works for you. Feel that as you inhale, you can lengthen through the spine. As you exhale, you can relax and soften into the shoulders. You can place your hands on your lap, whichever way you feel comfortable with. And as you inhale, feel that you can breathe into the space surrounding your body, so you're expanding. And as you exhale, you're bringing your awareness back to your center line. So as you inhale, you're expanding into the space around you. And as you exhale, you're bringing your awareness back to that center line. Inhaling, expanding. Exhaling, returning to your midline. Stay with this for a little longer. And keep the breath going. The breath is still and comfortable. Realizing that you can use this lovely dynamic morning sequence to really get that energy up and going, fired up, to make this your most awesome day. You can do this practice anytime during the day. just preferably not at night before going to bed. When you're ready, you can bring your hands to your heart center. Thank you for taking the time to practice with me with deep gratitude and love. Namaste.
Thank you for listening to our Nourish and Restore podcast today. To find out more about Nourish and Restore, visit our website or Facebook page, nourishandrestore.yoga. For more information on working with me, Nina Sachs, visit www.yogaaa.co.za. And to work with my awesome friend Nicole, visit www.lov-me.com. Links will be in the show notes. We look forward to catching up with you next week. Namaste and have a nourishing